Beginner Dark War survival tips and tricks. Now, as a beginner myself, all I can say is that there is a lot going on in this game already. Now, one of the most important things you can use in this game early is the speed up items. Of the speed up items do decrease by a lot. Now, the next are our gems. You can use gems in ways like this to complete your tasks, but make sure to never do that, especially in your early games if you're a free to play player. One thing you can do instead of that is to actually use those speed up items I mentioned, just like so. Now, instead of spending 200 gems on that, you used a free item that saved you that much gems. Another thing is when you upgrade your watchtower, do try your best to also upgrade every single thing. Like, don't leave your kitchen in level 3 if your watchtower is already on level 8. Do your best to follow them. I mean, I do have a level 1 gathering ground here, but I didn't intend to do that. I will upgrade that as soon as possible. Because as you start the game, you only have one construction queue. To increase your construction queue, you have to spend actual money. So if you're a free to play player, make sure to use your constructions very carefully and to utilize them as much as possible. One more thing that benefits you a lot as a beginner is to have an alliance. So make sure you join a good alliance, an active alliance, as they can help you in many ways. You can ask requests for upgrades. So as you can see here, there's a hands pressing. All you have to do is press that and help requests will be sent to allies and a starter for the game. Now those are a few beginner tips for Dark World Survival. If these do help you and you want more videos like this, please like and subscribe for more videos. So that's all. Thank you.